Honestly, I've never met anyone like you. The things you said, oh my god. I know you haven't. I am special. Hello. Excuse me. Do you know where the bathroom is? I can't find it. Oh, sure. Hi. The bathroom is over there, next to the chemistry room. Um, you're not from around here, are you? Oh, thank you. No, I have just arrived. This is my first day at this school, so I don't know where the bathroom is or anything. I see. Well, welcome. This is a small school and town, but you will love it. The teachers are great, and the classes are very interesting. Really? I don't think so. Have you ever been to London? London? No, I've never been there. Why? Are you from London? No, I am not from London. I was born in this country, but a different city. I have been to London twice. It was amazing. I studied there for 2 years, and the teachers are awesome. Nothing compared to these ones. I see. But how do you know? You haven't even taken any class yet. The teachers here are very good. Well, I learned a lot here. You should give them a chance. You say that because you've never had the best teachers. But anyway, I suppose I will have to get used to this school. And tell me, does this school have a cafeteria at least? I imagine it has a place where we can eat, right? Yes, of course. It is a big cafeteria. Mrs. Gomez cooks very well. She always makes delicious meals. You will love it. I highly doubt it. I have tried different kind of food in London, and nothing compares to their food. Plus, the schools there have high standards of care and cleanliness, something I definitely won't find here. Have you ever tried fish from London? Fish from London? No, I haven't eaten that. Is it delicious? You can't imagine. The fish there is of the highest quality. It's soft fish and is raised specifically for consumption. It is served with fries and salad. Oh, I love fries. Have you visited Tito's restaurant? They have the best fries in the city. My family and I go there every Sundays. They also have fried chicken. Please, do not compare refined London fish with your chips served by someone who probably has no idea what basic hygiene standards are. I can't eat there. If I eat in those places, I'm sure I'll get a stomach infection or contract some incurable disease. Don't exaggerate. The place is always very clean and the food is delicious. I always go there to eat, and nothing has ever happened. If you say so, I have never eaten in these small restaurants. I always go to fancy restaurants with my family. They serve the best food, and it's delicious. Of course, I don't always eat out. Most of the time, I eat at home. Mary makes very good meals. Mary, is that your mom? My mom also cooks delicious food. She makes an amazing spaghetti. I promise. She makes it with mushrooms and it's delicious. No, you don't understand. Mary is not my mother. She works in my house. She's a professional chef who cooks for us. She makes dishes from different countries. Have you ever tried food from France or Greece? I don't think so. I've tried French fries. I'm just kidding. I have never had a chef just for me. That must be something great. It is. And have you ever traveled by plane? I don't think so. Oh, yes, we've traveled many times. I mean, my family and I, we go on vacations once a year. And sometimes we go to a city far from here. I travel by airplane every month. It's something that comes naturally to me. I have traveled to so many countries that I can't even remember all of them. Let's see. I've been to Paris, I've been to Rome, I've been to Munich. Wow, I've been to many places. How lucky am I? And each country teaches you something amazing and different. You can learn a lot visiting new countries. You should try that someday. Oh, I forgot. You are poor and you don't have enough money to travel around the world. I am so sorry. But hey, I can tell you my experience, and you can imagine yourself living that. Anyway, I was going to the bathroom. You said it's the one over there, right? Yeah, the one with the blue door. Hey, you didn't tell me your name. Mine is Soul. My name is Denva. It is an important name all over the world. My dad said it was the name of important kings and emperors who had great dynasties. I am sure you will remember it easily. Denver, to be honest, I have never heard that name before, but I like it. Sounds cool. Hey, Denver, why don't we play soccer after school? Martin, James, and I usually go to the park and play with some friends. What do you think? Me? Playing with you? I don't think so. My dad pays for a private academy just for me, so I can learn any sport. I don't need to play with you. Ah, I see. Well, if you ever want to come play with us, you can. We always play at Rushford Park after school. I don't think so. Anyway, bye. Denver, wait a minute. Can I ask you something? Please. Yes? Tell me. What is that? Well, I couldn't help but think about everything you told me. Honestly, I've never met anyone like you. The things you said, oh my god. I know you haven't. I am special. I'm different from all the kids here. So I understand. Don't worry. No, I didn't mean that. I meant someone who felt as alone as you. What are you talking about? I don't feel alone. I am fine. I have everything any child would want. My dad told me about people like you. Tell me something. Have you ever played with other kids? No, and I don't need to. I am fine like this. Has your mom ever cooked your favorite meal for you? No, she's a very busy person. She's an important businesswoman. She doesn't have time for that. Have you ever eaten with both of your parents together at the table, talking about how your day went? My dad is an important lawyer in the country. He doesn't have time for those kind of things. So tell me, why did you move here to this small town? You said you were happy in London. Then what are you doing here, Denver? What? Well, I my parents they we just wanted to experience what it felt like to live in such a small place. It is just temporary. I understand. Don't worry, Denver. I will ask you again, and please be honest this time. Do you want to play soccer with us after school? Me? Well, yes, I think that would be something good. I could try. Maybe. Great. We will have fun. And after that, you can have dinner at my house. My mom will make that delicious spaghetti today. We have room for one more person. What do you say? Really? Yes, that would be great. So I don't know how to tell you this. I just want to explain. Look, you don't have to explain anything to me. I get it. Don't worry. Hey, go to the bathroom or you'll miss your first class. It's almost time to start with geography. Go! I'll save you a seat next to me. We'll be good friends. Friends? Yeah, friends. Thank you, Sol. Be right back. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support.